guys, welcome to my channel. Let's learn color. Dark green color, brown color, yellow color, sky blue color, orange color, black color, grey color, red color, pink color, dark blue color, purple color and parrot green color. Let's start today's drawing. Let's start coloring. Brown color, baby pink color, yellow pencil color, baby pink color, sky blue color, dark blue color, red color, pink color, yellow color, black color, baby pink color, So here we draw a cute girl and boy. Hope you guys like my video. Kindly subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye bye. FRIENDS, friend, best friend.